Immerse yourself in the enchanting realm of keto breads and keto desserts, a culinary odyssey. Crafted by the ingenious Kerry Herring, the visionary behind Healning Gourmet. It's not just about recipes. It's a holistic embrace of a healthier lifestyle. Imagine relishing your cherished dishes guilt-free, elevating your well-being. Kerry Herring's brainchild isn't merely a tantalizing treat collection. It's a revelation of how certain foods profoundly impact our bodies. With passion, she navigates you through crafting delectable desserts using nutrient-rich ingredients, all aimed at promoting good health and shedding those extra pounds. Each recipe and ingredient undergoes meticulous scrutiny by top-notch nutritionists. The link below is your portal to a world where taste and nutrition dance in harmony. So, what's the magic of keto breads and keto desserts? It's a mission to enlighten, to make us mindful of how our food choices shape our bodies. This book's essence lies in aiding global weight loss journeys, offering a pathway to relishing desserts without compromising health. Keto breads and keto desserts unveil the secrets of 11 flours, ensuring gluten-free and low glycemic delights. Explore a special fiber that adds creaminess and sweetness while nurturing beneficial gut bacteria. Discover the best foods to embrace and those to avoid. The program even provides 12 egg substitutes for dietary preferences. Embark on this nutritional journey and witness a revolution in your well-being. Keto breads and keto desserts aren't just recipes. They're a celebration of nutritional sweets and an immune booster rolled into one. Click on the link below to explore the official site, your gateway to a healthier, tastier life. The benefits of keto breads and keto desserts are limitless. Ensure your health with the right ingredients, a promise this book makes and keeps. Revel in the taste without compromising on health, as this culinary masterpiece offers snacks free from harmful mixtures. Embrace natural ingredients for guilt-free indulgence. But that's not all. This book goes the extra mile by offering delightful appetizers, a chance to recreate Girl Scout cookies, and so much more. Its unmatched value includes a plethora of recipes excluding artificial colors and flavors, ensuring your health takes center stage. Yet, transparency is key. Keto breads and keto desserts, a treasure trove of culinary delights, is available only in digital format. But fear not, for the link below holds the key to all the information you seek. In conclusion, plunge into the world of keto breads and keto desserts, where taste and health intertwine. Experience the joy of savoring your favorite treats without compromising on your well-being. This isn't just a cookbook. It's a guide to a healthier, more flavorful life. Click the link below and embark on a journey to a better you.